Good morning, everyone. My name is Akerele Oluwashogo. I'm your Microsoft Excel trainer. Today we are still on forecast functions in Excel. Forecast functions in Excel. Like I've explained in my last video, I said forecast function in Excel is used to predict a future value by using linear regression. So a forecast function in Excel is used to predict a future value by using linear regression. In other words, forecast objects a future value along a line of best fit based on your historical data. It is based on your historical data. So from the function, we have some arguments that you need to supply when you are using your forecast function, like your x, your known y, and your known x. So your x required is a numerical x value for which you want to predict a new y value, while your known y required is an array of known dependent y values, while your known x required is an array of known independent x value. So we have some argument that you need to supply when you are using your forecast function, like your x, your known y, and your known x. And I said your x is your numerical x value for which you want to predict a new y value. So while your known y is an array of known dependent y values, while your known x is an array of known independent x value. So a forecast function works in all versions of Excel, from Office 365, Excel 2019, Excel 2016, Excel 213, Excel 210, Excel 27, and Excel 23. So it can work in all versions of Excel. So in this video, we are going to look at this example. I'm going to look at this example now. So we want to use a forecast function, a forecast function to predict our website traffic for the next 7 days. So we want to predict our website traffic for the next 7 days based on the data for the previous 3 weeks. So I've gathered the data from the previous 3 weeks. This is data for the previous 3 weeks. So we want to predict our next traffic for the next 7 days. So you can see from the 5th of July 2019, these are the traffic figure gotten from our website. So I want to predict for the next 7 days what will traffic look like by using a forecast functions in Excel. So we want to use a forecast function, and we also want to use forecast linear. So these are the two functions we are going to use this morning to predict our website traffic for the next 7 days. So from 24th of July to 31st of July. So we want to know our traffic for the next 7 days. So quickly, this is where I want the answer to be. I will type equal sign, type forecast. So I'll double click to open the function. So the first argument is the x, which I've explained before, your x value. I've explained before, which is the date. So comma. So your known y is your dependent y values, this value. So I like the value, I like all the y value. So once you highlighted, so you have to log the data, you have to log the cell by pressing function F4 to lock it up. So you make the cell address absolute, comma. So the next argument is your known x, which is your independent s values. So highlight it again, that means the date, that's your known x. Also I've highlighted, so you have to lock it up again by pressing function F4 to make the cell address absolute. So once you have done that, so you press enter. So you can see the next traffic for 24 of July is, so let me format the numbers now. Let me put comma style and remove the decimal points. So the next traffic is 90 for 24th of July 2019 is 95,463. Let me autofill for the rest for the next 7 days. So you can see for 24th of July 2019, our website traffic will be 95,463, while for 25th of July 2019 to be 94,044. So you can see the figure from our next traffic for the next 7 days. This will be our website traffic. So let's use forecast linear to cross check what we have done now. So I can also use another function called forecast linear. I'll type forecast, so I'll pick forecast linear. So my x is this date, the first date out of that 7 days, comma, my known y, which I said is the dependent variables, I mean your y values. Highlight it or unlock it up, your y value. So highlight the y value, lock it up by pressing function F4 to make it absolute, comma, the next argument is your no x, which is your independent x value, which is the date. Highlight it all and also lock it up to make the cell address absolute. So you press enter. As you can see, we're having the same figure, so I can format it to put the comma style and also to remove the decimal point. So you can see we have used forecast function and forecast linear to predict our website traffic for the next 7 days. These are to use forecast functions in Excel to predict a future value. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Akerele Oluwashogo.